Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we have one more employment notification that is from the Indian Navy. So it has invited applications to fill the post of short service commission officers. So here the online registration begins from 14th of September 2024, ends on 29th of September 2024, and applications are invited from both unmarried men and women. So both men and women who are unmarried can apply for the post, and the course commences from June 2025 onwards at the Indian Naval Academy, Izimala, Kerala. So coming to the education, here under the executive branch for the post of general service or hydro cadre, you must have completed BA or BTech in any discipline with 60% of marks, and there are 56 vacancies. Both men and women can apply for the post, and your date of birth must fall between 2nd July 2000 to 1st of January 2006. Similarly, for the post of pilot, aircrew and ATC, BA or BTech in any discipline with 60% of marks and 60% of aggregate marks in class 10th and 12th, and 60% of the marks in English in class 10th and 12th is required, and these are number of vacancies under each category. Here also both men and women can apply for the post, and these are the dates within which your date of birth must fall. And under logistics cadre or branch, the required qualification is BA or BTech, MBA, BSc or BCom, or else MC or MSc, and there are 20 vacancies under this. And under any IC cadre, the required qualification will be BA or BTech with 60% of the marks in the streams they have mentioned here. So coming to education branch, under this the required qualification is MSc either in maths, physics or chemistry, BA or BTech either in mechanical, electronics or electrical engineering, or MTech in the relevant stream with minimum of 60% of marks, and also candidate must have scored 60% of aggregate marks in class 10th and 12th, and 60% of the marks in English in class 10th and 12th is required. Here also both men and women can apply for the post. And under technical, engineering branch and electrical branch, BE or BTech with 60% of marks in the streams whatever they have mentioned here, that is what required, and here both men and women can apply for the post, and these are the dates within which your date of birth must fall. So combining all the posts, there are about 250 plus vacancies to be filled, and the number of vacancies may increase or decrease depending on the requirement. So candidates who have CPL, that is commercial pilot license, issued by the DGCA and whose date of birth falls between these dates can apply for the post as per the criteria. And also the NCC candidates who have C certificates will be given relaxation of 5% in the cutoff marks towards the shortlisting of SSB, but you must meet the following criteria, that is your NCC certificate should be with minimum B grade and not served less than 2 academic years in the senior division, either it is Navy, Army or Air Wing of NCC, and C certificate should not be dated prior to 1st of June 2022. Here it is to be noted that the candidate has to submit the single application, that is only one application can be filled by the candidate, and those who choose SSC pilot entry will be considered for SSP, CPSS, aviation medical examination, and are advised to check physical and medical standards prior selecting this option. That means candidate who want to opt for SSC pilot, before selecting that option, they are advised to check the physical and medical standards like height, leg length, etc. So for that you need to visit the official website. So here they have given the official website address for more details regarding the medical standards. So here the candidates are advised to indicate the preference for the branches. So if you have not selected the preference, then you will not be considered for the other branches as well. So it is advised to indicate the order of preference for all the branches. And also it is mentioned that the candidates with BE and BTech qualification with the relevant streams which are mentioned above are only considered valid for the selection process at any stage. So the qualification other than the streams which are mentioned above are not eligible for the selection process. And coming to the tenure of commission, so here the selected candidates will be granted short service commission initially for 10 years, and it can extend up to maximum for 4 years in terms of 2 + 2 years. And coming to the selection process, so here the shortlisting of application will be done based on the normalized scores which are obtained by the candidate in the qualifying degree. And for BE or BTech candidates, the marks up to 5th semester will be considered for SSP shortlisting. And for candidates who have completed MSc, MCA, MBA and MTech, for them all semester marks will be taken into account for the SSP shortlisting. And here your merit list will be prepared based on the SSP marks and the medical clearance. And in training, the candidates will be inducted in the rank of sub-lieutenant subject to the induction of medical clearing of medical examination. And here only unmarried candidates are eligible for the training. And coming to the probation period, the probation for SSC NAIC officers will be 3 years, and for all the officers of other branches it will be of 2 years. And the basic pay of sub lieutenant starts from 56,000 and along with the other allowances as per applicable. And those who want to apply for the post, they can visit the official website and there you can submit your application form. So here they have given the official website address, so you can go through this and submit your application. And also it is mentioned that the application once submitted will be final and no request for amendments or change will be entertained. So you have to be very cautious while submitting your application. So this is all about the recruitment of short service commission officers in the Indian Navy. So for more details you can go to the official website and notification and read on it. Thank you.